The Supreme Court is the highest court in Israel. It has ultimate appellate jurisdiction over all other courts, and in some cases original jurisdiction. The Supreme Court consists of 15 judges, who are appointed by the President of Israel, upon nomination by the Judicial Selection Committee. Once appointed, judges serve until retirement at the age of 70 unless they resign or are removed from office. The current president of the Supreme Court is Esther Hayot. The court is situated in Jerusalem's Giva Ram governmental campus, about half a kilometer from Israel's legislature, the Knesset. When ruling as the High Court of Justice, the court rules on the legality of decisions of state authorities, government decisions, those of local authorities and other bodies and persons performing public functions under the law, and direct challenges to the constitutionality of laws enacted by the Knesset. The court may review actions by state authorities outside of Israel. By the principle of binding precedent, Supreme Court rulings are binding upon every other court, except itself. Over the years, it has ruled on numerous sensitive issues, some of which relate to the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, the rights of Arab citizens, and discrimination between Jewish groups in Israel. Supreme Court judges are appointed by the President of Israel, from names submitted by the Judicial Selection Committee, which is composed of 9 members, 3 Supreme Court judges, 2 cabinet ministers, 2 Knesset members, and 2 representatives of the Israel Bar Association. Appointing Supreme Court judges requires a majority of 7 of the 9 committee members, or 2 less than the number present at the meeting. The 3 organs of state, the legislative, executive, and judicial branches of government, as well as the Bar Association, are represented in the Judges' Nominations Committee. Thus, the shaping of the judicial body, through the manner of judicial appointment, is carried out by all the authorities together. Supreme Court judges cannot be removed from office except by a decision of the Court of Discipline, consisting of judges appointed by the President of the Supreme Court, or upon a decision of the Judicial Selection Committee, at the proposal of the Minister of Justice or the President of the Supreme Court. With the agreement of 7 of its 9 members, the following are qualified to be appointed judge of the Supreme Court. A person who has held office as a judge of a district court for a period of 5 years, or a person who is inscribed, or entitled to be inscribed, in the role of advocates, and has for not less than 10 years continuously or intermittently, and of which 5 years at least in Israel, been engaged in the profession of an advocate, served in a judicial capacity or other legal function in the service of the State of Israel or other service as designated in regulations in this regard, or has taught law at a university or a higher school of learning as designated in regulations in this regard. An eminent jurist can also be appointed to the Supreme Court. The number of Supreme Court judges is determined by a resolution of the Knesset. Currently, there are 15 Supreme Court judges. At the head of the Supreme Court and at the head of the judicial system as a whole stands the President of the Supreme Court, and at his or her side, the Deputy President. A judge's term ends when he or she reaches 70 years of age, resigns, dies, is appointed to another position that disqualifies him or her, or is removed from office. As of August 2018, the Supreme Court judges are Uzi Vogelman, Yitzhak Amit, Noam Solberg, Daphne Barak, Erez Menahem, Moses Anad, Baron George Karra, David Mintz, Yosef Elron, Yoel Wilner, Ofer Groskopf, Alex Stein, Gilad Lubinsky, Ziv and Sarit Abedian serve as the court magistrate judges. Below is a list of presidents of the Supreme Court. Italics indicates expected future appointments. As an appellate court, the Supreme Court considers cases on appeal on judgments and other decisions of the district courts. It also considers appeals on judicial and quasi-judicial decisions of various kinds, such as matters relating to the legality of Knesset elections and disciplinary rulings of the Bar Association. As the High Court of Justice, the Supreme Court rules as a court of the first instance, primarily in matters regarding the legality of decisions of state authorities, government decisions, those of local authorities and other bodies and persons performing public functions under the law, and direct challenges to the constitutionality of laws enacted by the Knesset. The Israeli Defense Forces are also subject to the HCJ's judicial review. The court has broad discretionary authority to rule on matters in which it considers it necessary to grant relief in the interests of justice. and which are not within the jurisdiction of another court or tribunal. The High Court of Justice grants relief through orders such as Anjanksha.